Hello, I welcome you all to this course. Before we embark upon this journey, let me introduce you very quickly to the Hindi script, also known as Devanagari script. This is a very old writing system, around 1200 years old, and what we have today is a product of continuous evolution over the centuries. The script is also used in Sanskrit and Nepalese, and officially we have 13 vowels and 39 consonants in Hindi that you see on your screen now. These here are 13 vowels. These are consonants. These four are also consonants. These four are conjunct consonants. A conjunct consonant is formed by combining two or more consonant sounds. Alright, there are also two special consonants, and of course we will cover all that in this course. Now let's discuss a few characteristics of the Hindi script. Alright, so now let's discuss a little more about our script, about Devanagari script, and for that I have added a picture for you on the whiteboard. Let's go to the whiteboard. The picture you see here is the picture of the national emblem of India. There are three lions, and just below the lions there is something written in Sanskrit. The sentence means the truth always wins. As I already told you, Sanskrit also uses the Devanagari script for its writing. Alright, now the first thing we notice here in this sentence that all the letters are written with the horizontal line above them. So this is the first quality of Devanagari script, that there is a horizontal line. Second thing, if I want to rewrite this, then I have to write it like this. So as you notice that I'm writing from left to the right. So this is the second quality. Alright. Third, the sentence is Satya Mev Jayate. Satya Mev Jayate. You see there is a ta here, Jayate, and also a ta here. So this is, I will not go in detail, but this is half the and this is full the. All I want to say is, in Hindi, in Devanagari, we have something called half letters. And of course we have a few dedicated lessons for half letters. Alright, so we will do in detail there. Now the fourth thing, in Hindi we have vowels, and vowels have two forms: independent form or symbol form, also called matra form. Let me explain it with an example. You see, there's a word here, oppo. Alright, there are two O's here, first O and second O. The first O is pronounced O in its pure sound, in its pure vowel sound, and written like this. Alright, So this is independent form of a vowel, all right. And then we have po. There's o sound here as well, but the sound is mixed with the consonant sound, and this is matra form. So why a matra is used? Because we wanted to save some space. With a consonant, we just use the symbol of a vowel. We do not use the vowel completely, and that means the matra form is used. Meanwhile, when a vowel should be in its purest form, in its purest sound, purest pronunciation, then the vowel will be written in its full form or independent form. All right. So that's all. Now let's discuss how to get the best out of this course and why you should take this course. All right. So now let's discuss how you can get the best out of this course, and for that let's go to the presentation again. On your screen you can see all the alphabets, consonants and vowels, and for your information, this is the sequence a native Hindi speaking kid will learn alphabets at his or her school. It is a good method, yes, but in my opinion and experience, for someone whose native language or mother tongue is not Hindi, this method does not go well, and for that I have designed this course. The sequence you will see, the sequence of the classes, you will see that I have taught the most useful or the most used letters first. We'll make example words with these letters first. We will work on them, we will perfect these letters first, and then only we will move to the next class, to the next letter. For example, in the first lesson I have taught k, l and a, vowel matra, vowel symbol. All right, and I have added practice worksheets for you. There are around 110 worksheets for you to download. I have also added single letter worksheets. If you want to perfect or practice one letter at a time, then you can download these as well. All right. Yes, I have designed this course for non-native Hindi speakers, but if you are a parent or a student, you already speak Hindi, then also this course can be useful. You can download these practice worksheets and you can work on your Hindi writing skills. So let's start our first lesson. Let's go to the whiteboard. The two consonants I'm going to teach you in this class are these: K and Le. K and Le. Repeat after me. K and Le. K. English equivalent, letter K. Le. English equivalent, letter L. K and Le. Pay attention to the strokes from left to right, up to down. Up to down, up to down. K. K, a vertical bar, a half circle to the left, and then the circle continues, but it does not touch the vertical bar. K, then le, le. Alright, now let's go to the next slide. If I add a vertical bar after K, it will become ka. After le, it will become la. This vertical bar is a vowel symbol. Or matra. Alright, so after K, if I add this vertical bar, it will be ka. After le, it will be la. Now let's form a few words. K and le. Kal. Repeat after me. Kal. Kal. K with vertical bar ka and le. Kal. Then K with the bar and le also with the bar. It is kala. K single, le with the vertical bar. Kala. Kala. K with the vertical bar. Kaka. All these words are real words. Alright. Le with vertical bar and again a l. Lal. Let's revise. Kal. Kal is yesterday or tomorrow. Kal. Kal is time. Kala. Kala is the color. Black. Kala. 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 Kala is art. Then kaka. Ka. Ka. Kaka is uncle. And lal, again the color red. Let's revise. Kal. Kal. Kala. Kala. Kaka. Lal. Alright. You can download the practice worksheet and practice these letters if you want. You can also practice k and l individually. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.